ULA, United Launch Alliance. And Trevor, what is ULA? I'm curious.
So United Launch Alliance, we're actually located just down I-25 here, right by IKEA. We're the nation's rocket company. So we have our engineering design center right down the road. We build our Atlas and Delta launch vehicles down in Alabama, and we launch them out of California and Florida.
And you also sponsor our been awarded and we get going here at Pepsi Center. All rocket emergency is ULA. Well, I thought it'd be a good idea to see how strong I was compared to old Trevor here. Hey, come on through. It's great. No big deal. We're good. We're not doing a live tape or anything. It's all right. All right. So Trevor, I'm gonna go first. I'm gonna ask you some hockey-related questions. All right. See how actually smart he is. First question: which marking on the ice is used to determine offside?
Red line.
Starting with the easy questions, I'm going to go with the blue line.
All right, just easy in there, yes, thank you, DJ Triple T. The Avalanche currently play in which division and conference?
So I know we're still in the Western Conference, but I'm going to go Central Division.
All right, he's 2 for 2, he's a smart guy. What type of icing does the NHL employ? Is it hybrid, touch, or automatic?
Hybrid.
So I guess I've seen him touch it, and I've seen him not have to touch it, so I'm going to go with hybrid.
All right, he's 3 for 3. All right, I'm going to get back on the rocket-related questions, so Trevor, try me. I can do this. All right, hit me up. What you got?
All right, what is the nation's largest rocket?
Largest rocket, okay. So, okay, go to the next question. Bubba, was that the correct answer?
No, Bubba was not
Bubba was my final answer. Okay, go to the next one.
So actually the nation's largest rocket and the world's largest rocket is built by United Launch Alliance. It's a Delta IV Heavy rocket. It's got 3 RS-68 engines made right here in America on the aft end. 660 pounds of thrust each. So you're looking at well over 2 million pounds of thrust coming off the pad.
So it's almost as fast as Nathan McKinnon is what you're telling me.
Almost.
Almost as fast as Nathan McKinnon. All right, next one. What you got?
How long is the Orion mission that we have coming up for NASA from launch to splashdown?
5 years.
4 months.
Only off by a little bit. 4 hours.
4 hours. All right. Just 4 hours. Where's it go?
So we launch out of Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. We'll actually complete 2 orbits, and we'll splash down off the coast of the Baja Peninsula about 4 hours and 10 minutes later.
Fantastic, the Orion mission coming up. You can watch that online, I think, right?
Absolutely. If you guys want to watch it, go to www.ulalaunch.com on December 4th. We'll do it.
All right, I got to get one of these right, so try it. Let me see if I can get just one. Just one.
I'll try one more. So with all the Colorado companies that are involved in the launch, this is actually the largest Colorado mission since astronaut Jack Swigert flew on Apollo in 1970.
Featured in Apollo 13, actually.
Exactly. Can you name 2 of the 3 Colorado companies that are involved?
This one I actually know. I'll give you all 3. ULA, right? Lockheed Martin, and Ball Aerospace.
That is perfect.
I got one! Yes, it's right. Not a total disaster. You were still smarter than 2 of us, just so you know. Not like you need today, but ladies and gentlemen, Trevor from the United Launch Alliance, always a great partner of your Colorado Avalanche, literally a rocket scientist.
And we brought a shirt for you.
Oh, it's tradition. Actually, it is rocket science. I will wear this proudly. Thank you once again, guys. Again, Trevor from ULA.